In today's video, we will be talking about superhero gadgets that you can buy online right now. Thor USB drive that is designed as a tiny version of the legendary Thor's hammer. Lenovo Jedi challenge kit that helps you become a brave Jedi. Littlebits Droid Inventor kit that not only entertains you but also teaches you. Batman folding knife that is a double-edged pocket knife made from Batman's silhouette. Ironman USB Flash drive that comes in the form of an Ironman arc reactor. ASP arm blaster that allows you shoot gel balls at your friends. Darth Vader helmet that allows you imitate the breathing sound of Darth Vader. Marvel dancing Groot that is the life of the party. Star Wars the child with over 25 sound and motion combinations. And Iron Man levitating figure that floats in the air above its stand. Number 10. Thor Mjolnir USB drive. Why settle for a boring USB design when you can go for the one that matches your passion? This USB flash drive is designed as a tiny version of the legendary Thor's hammer. The design brags a lot of small, elaborate details and a realistic appearance. The head has the distinct pattern of Thor's hammer, while the handle is embossed and decorated with a small leather strap. It is made from metal that weighs only 50 grams. The USB plug doesn't get in the way when you're using them because it is a retractable. The flash drive comes in 3 versions of 8, 16, and 32 gigabytes. The price varies accordingly and can be $26, $31, or $36. Also, the flash drive has high-level specifications. The transfer rate is 80 megabytes per second for reading. Number 9. Lenovo Jedi Challenges. This is an invention from Lenovo that will take you to a different galaxy very far away and become a brave Jedi. These kits are augmented reality glasses that come with a lightsaber hilt. It definitely won't create a real light beam, however, everything changes as soon as you put on the headset. The manufacturers created the kit with different game modes. In the first one, you will have to fight with the virtual enemy, while the second mode allows a multiplayer mode where you go into battle with a friend, as if they also gave the Jedi Challenges kit. The Jedi Challenge costs $200. Number 8. Littlebits Droid Inventor kit. This toy does not only entertain its owners but also teaches them. Not only will it teach you, but you can also teach the device to move and execute commands of different complexity. This is because the experts that developed the Littlebits Droid kit created the programmable version of the Astromech Droid R2. Assembling the model from many individual parts is only half of the fun. The real fun of this toy is its mobile application, which introduces the owner to the basics of visual programming. So you can customize your toy the way you want it, and the opportunities are endless. The price of the toy starts at $95. Number 7. Batman folding knife. The Dark Knight Batman folding knife is a beautiful knife with Batman's silhouette. It is a folding double-edged pocket knife with a distinctive handle finish. It is 8 inches long overall, with its blade being approximately 3 inches long. The blade is made from 440 stainless steel, and the handle is made from anodized aluminum. This knife is spring-assisted, and with the push on the thumb stud, it springs out. The knife comes in a huge number of color options, with the price ranging from $19 and above. Number 6. Iron Man USB Flash. If Iron Man is your favorite character, you can get this unique flash drive. This fantasy USB comes in the form of an Iron Man arc reactor. The device would make an unusual and classy fun accessory for its owner, as it comes with the option of a chain that allows you to use the USB as a pendant. The USB port is retractable and doesn't affect the appearance when not in use. The device is made of metal, it is shockproof and also waterproof. The read speed is 25 megabytes per second. It comes in 2 versions, the 8 gigabytes and the 12 gigabyte USB. The 8 gigabyte version costs $12, while the 16 gigabyte version costs $19. If you want it to come with a chain, you'll have to pay an extra $10. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a like if you are loving the content. Number 5. The ASP Max Power Arm Blaster. You sure can have fun with your friends with this little money, and this is what this power arm blaster does. You get to shoot gel balls for only $40. The bullets are safe to use both indoors and outdoors. They are soft and can be fired at low velocity. The manufacturer describes it as a 2-in-1 toy because you can also use soft foam darts as projectiles. It causes no injury or discomfort upon impact. They come in tiny bags and swell from contact with water. The glove is made of a durable polymer that you shoot by slightly moving your fingers. Number 4. Darth Vader Helmet. You can make a Star Wars fan happy with a realistic helmet like this one that looks exactly like Darth Vader's helmet. Fans can imagine winning the biggest missions and battles in the Star Wars saga with this amazing helmet. It has exquisite features and design. It is black, shiny, and fully enclosed. Nevertheless, the helmet allows you to see, breathe, and even hear everything while wearing it. Most importantly, when you press the primary button, the helmet produces a sound, allowing you to imitate the Force or characteristic breathing sound effect of Darth Vader. The toy consists of 3 parts: the collar, the helmet, and the mask, and can be purchased for $180. Number 3. Marvel Dancing Groot. Speaking of the Avengers and the Marvel Universe, we can't just miss this particular toy. With arms and a torso that moves, as well as light-up eyes, Dancing Groot is the life of the party. It is a 30-centimeter figurine that plays music from Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2, and it dances to it. Baby Groot is also able to recognize music from other sources. In this case, it will keep you company by dancing along with you. It is produced by Hasbro, and the price starts at $46. Number 2. Star Wars The Child. This is a replica of Grogu, better known as Baby Yoda. The character was featured in the television series The Mandalorian and became a favorite among the fans. The figure is made of vinyl, and it can make sounds and move. For example, it can move its eyes, ears, and head. Touching the back of its head activates over 25 sound and motion combinations like giggles, babbles, happy and excited sounds, and more. The figure's head moves up and down, its ears move back and forth, and its eyes can open and close. Kids can pretend to harness the power of the Force by tapping Grogu's head 3 times for Force activation, in which the animatronic toy raises its arm, closes its eyes, and even sigh. If you have an extra $60, you can own this child today. Number 1. Iron Man Levitating Figure. This is a small replica of Iron Man and can easily become the centerpiece of any room. It's quite easy to guess its main features because the figure floats in air above its stand. This is possible thanks to a system of magnets and the field created by them making Iron Man repel from its base. The levitation height is quite low, but it still looks pretty impressive. This innovative and exquisite design gives this floating statue its unique appearance. The statue was built with electroplate chrome coating to create the classic Iron Man armor just as it appeared in the movie. It also features LED light-up effects on the feet, eyes, and arc reactor on the chest. The toy can be purchased for about $150.